Remember that we're not machines, we are humans. Sometimes our bodies need more. It's all good. How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda. I make videos every single week, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to eat healthy when you're short on time. Before we get into the video, I just want to say that I'm currently getting trained and certified to be a health coach. If you don't know what that is, or if you just want to know more about me, I made a whole video on that. Please check out my channel intro video, link is right there. Also, I'm not a nutritionist or dietitian, so I won't talk about anything that's out of my reach. I will stick to the basics. Alright, now let's get into the video. All the 5 tips that I want to talk about today have one common focus, and that is to make things as convenient, as simple as possible, because in my opinion, that is the most realistic way to eat healthy and stay on track for a long time. The first very important tip I want to give you is to go back to the basics. Eating healthy is not that complicated. You don't need to follow every single health rule out there to be healthy. You know, we all have these long lists of do's and don'ts. I can't eat sugar, eat less meat, less dairy, eat more grains, I need to drink more water, having all these checkpoints. Try this one thing. Just try this one thing. Eat more vegetables and fruits. I know it's so basic, but that is it. If you can just do this one thing, you will naturally eat less of the other unhealthy stuff. This is what we call the crowding out method. And this is proven to be very effective because it's way easier to add stuff to your diet than to remove stuff. You need to make it easy for yourself. That's why we are stripping down to the basics here. Don't drive yourself crazy with all these complicated health rules. Just eat more vegetables and fruits. You will already see a huge improvement in your overall health. The next tip is to make your own healthy fast food. You want to have a list of healthy go-to meals that you can prepare in less than 15 minutes. That's why I call it fast food. So go choose some of your favorite foods, favorite veggies, proteins, grains, whatever you want. And then go search for recipes that are really, really simple and easy to make. Write them down and save them so you can make these recipes anytime you want. You know, things like savory, hearty salads, oatmeals, simple smoothies, roasted vegetables and proteins. These are things that you can never go wrong with. I always make these really good salad dressings, and I make like one mason jar of it, and I just store it in the fridge. I literally put it on all kinds of veggies, and it tastes super yummy and is healthy. My current favorite dressing is the ginger wasabi dressing. It is so good. You know what? I'm just gonna link a couple recipes down below. You can check them out just to inspire you, give you some ideas. You can definitely be creative, but having these go-tos and staples, it will just make your life so much easier. The next tip is a very, very simple one. Make enough to have leftovers. I know it's a no-brainer, everybody knows about the leftovers, but honestly, leftovers save the day. You can store it in the fridge or freezer and then bring it to work for lunch. When you're really short on time, leftovers are definitely going to save you a lot of time. You know, it makes a lot of sense when I talk about it. And people will be like, duh, leftovers, so you can eat again. But you know, when we're cooking, we kind of just forget about these things. So next time, think about these things and think about making enough so you can have leftovers. Next, I want to talk about snacking. Always have healthy snacks on hand. There are so many healthy snack recipes online, but since we're talking about being short on time here, the truth is you don't need to cook or prepare for a healthy snack. So many options that you can buy from your groceries. On top of my mind, nuts, very good for you. Dark chocolates, plain yogurt, plain popcorns, easy to bring fresh fruits like berries, cherry tomatoes, canned tuna, great source of protein, apple with peanut butter, make sure you get the natural peanut butter. All these things you can just buy from your groceries and they're ready to eat. So when you're hungry during the day, you'll always have these healthy snacks with you. The last tip is to familiarize yourself with healthy places close by. You want to have a list of these healthy restaurants, or you can add them to your favorites on Uber Eats or whatever service you're using, because it's very tempting to order something unhealthy when you're starving and you're browsing through all these restaurant options. So it's always good to be prepared. Next time when you're hungry and you want something quick, you will always have these healthy options, healthy places ready for you. There you go. That's my 5 tips on how to eat healthy when you're short on time. Remember that it's okay to fall off track. It's okay that you didn't eat well for a couple days. As long as you know how to get yourself back on track, how to make that U-turn, you're fine. Don't beat yourself up just because you ate something bad. It's not gonna help. Remember that we're not machines, we are humans. All these emotions that we have, experiences, these things are gonna change the way our bodies react. Sometimes our bodies need more. It's all good. Oh, I've talked a lot. That is it for this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and comment below your tips and tricks when it comes to healthy eating. Also, feel free to follow me and chat with me on Instagram. I will see you same time next week. Take care.